You know, every once in a while, even a guy like Bubba the Haines the purist got to rely on some other folks to do some work for him. Some specific stuff like generators and starters. I can't fix that stuff. I don't know nothing about electricity. I just put it in the Jeep and it's supposed to work. But when you trust somebody and then they screw you, it's just a bad thing all around. Why do you folks do that? My mom raised me to be an honest, decent person. Trust others. Do unto others as they would undo unto you. It's easy. Instead, Haines spends his money, gets stuff fixed by other people, and basically what it turns around to is, can't take it no more. I'm tired of you people. It's over.